Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Are you ready to create some incredibly delicious vegan naan from scratch? This recipe is wonderfully simple, bringing the warm, soft, and chewy texture of traditional naan right to your plant-based kitchen. We'll be using readily available ingredients, proving that making your own amazing bread at home is easier than you think. Get ready to enjoy a delightful addition to any meal, perfectly complementing your favorite curries or dips. First things first, let's get our dough started. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients like flour, active dry yeast, a little sugar, and some salt. Then, slowly pour in warm water and your favorite plain vegan yogurt, stirring until everything just comes together. Once it forms a shaggy dough, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it feels beautifully smooth and elastic. After kneading, place your dough into a lightly oiled bowl and cover it. Find a warm spot in your kitchen and let it rest for about 1 to 2 hours until it has nicely doubled in size. This crucial step creates that soft, airy texture. Once risen, gently punch down the dough and divide it into 8 equal portions. Now, skillfully roll each piece into a teardrop or oval shape, preparing them perfectly for the pan. Now for the exciting part, cooking your naan. Heat a cast iron skillet or griddle over high heat until it's absolutely scorching hot. Carefully place one rolled naan onto the hot surface. You'll see bubbles forming quickly. Cook it for about 1 minute until the underside is beautifully golden. Then, flip it over and cook for another 30 to 60 seconds, watching it puff up delightfully. Repeat this for all your naan. Once your naan comes off the hot pan, immediately brush it generously with melted vegan butter. For an extra burst of flavor, sprinkle on some finely minced garlic and fresh cilantro. The aroma alone is incredible. Serve your warm, fluffy homemade vegan naan right away. It's absolutely perfect alongside a rich curry, some cooling raita, or even just on its own as a delightful snack. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.